again, and to spread out disease. Brace yourselves and calm.
Hello, my name is Carrie, and this is my bus, Willow, and we are just on the brink of being full-time.
Okay.
Come on in.
Push you over the edge.
Yeah, it's easy. I had to twist my arm. So obviously where the magic happens, I have a shorty. It's a 2004 Chevy 350. I can get it worked on just about anywhere in the country if I break down. I've had some problems, but they've all worked out just fine. She's super comfortable to drive, about 10 miles per gallon.
That's more than me.
Yeah, and when I got the bus, it had the wooden interior on the ceiling, which is also insulated. The floor is wooden and also insulated, and then everything else was my build out, and I did this in my driveway. So the kitchen, we have a Dometic fridge right here, which just slide out. I wouldn't mind having one that I could just open the doors, but this seems to be the best solution. My pots and pans and dishes are all in the kitchen here. I have a Berkey water filter, so anything potable or non-potable, I just put it through the Berkey.
Yep.
And I always have fresh, clean drinking and cooking water, and for the dogs. It's the kitchen here. This is where the dogs sort of hang out. Although at night that becomes my bed.
Right.
So I take the dog blanket off and I put the human blanket on, and it's a twofer right there. And then the couch is easy enough, self-explanatory. It's guessed if somebody wants to spend the night. This is where the dogs are at night. And then underneath I have a bunch of storage, and I have everything I need in here.
Yeah.
I'm about, I guess, 20 feet long, maybe.
And
8 feet wide.
the hooks in the ceiling are for the chair.
I'll show you how that works. This turns into the party bus, actually. Bless you.
Gotta be good on the video.
You can edit
Sorry
it
about
out.
that, folks.
So yeah, all you gotta do is put
Yep.
these up in the, in the ribs of the bus, and
Sure.
plenty of weight can be held right there. And now you've got like a full circle of people to hang out and chat with and
Yep.
play games. One of my favorite features of the bus, for sure. It just stays right there.
I love the screen.
Yeah, that was something I found at like a TJ Maxx or a home goods store.
Really?
Yeah. And I just took off one of the panels. It was a 3-panel screen. Painted this side white, and just sort of anchored it in with screws and brackets. And then around the other side, it's still brown. I didn't paint the other side white.
Right.
So it's a little different feeling when you're in the bedroom, I guess, of the bus.
Now, do you have solar?
Yeah, I'm full solar, 400 watt panels, 400 watt panels. I have a 200-hour lithium battery that's connected to a charge controller that goes right into the bus, where I have outlets. So typically I haven't had any issues with my power, not one.
Yeah.
I've got plenty, put it that way. Yeah.
Oh, you have an inverter for 110 or?
Yeah, so
Okay.
I do. I guess that means I have the outlets for the...
Yeah, the regular plugs.
Yeah, so right here you can see one actually. There's just an outlet right here. Yeah, I use that one. I have one on the other side of the kitchen, and then one in the bed area back in behind there. So
I did
plenty.
USB ports and power 12 volt. I don't have any inverters.
Oh, okay.
So like where you've got the
Outlet.
the outlet with the plugs to, so you're taking 12, turning it into 110 to plug the chargers in that
Correct.
make it 5 volts to charge the phones and whatever.
Which is ridiculous, right?
Which
When
is
you
why
kinda
I did
think about it, yeah.
I've got USB ports, so
Right
I've
on.
got one in my bed. I can long cord. I plug my phone in at night.
Phone, computer,
Yeah, my
camera.
computer. I use a car charger.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I have the car charger, which is actually on. Shouldn't be right now. I try to actually loosen this little thing, just so I'm not pulling any battery out. God forbid. Although I do have a new battery. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, anyway, I forget. Went in my head and went out of my
Well,
head.
here's the stars of the show right here. And we've got Finn and Winston.
Well, what's what?
Finn,
Finn?
he's an Australian cattle dog blended with rat terrier, and he's an Australian cattle dog.
Finn, you look a lot like Frank, who's a famous YouTube dog.
Well, you go. Oh, I know Frank somehow.
From Trenton Alley.
Maybe not.
Yep.
Yeah. We have a TV that if I can get good reception, I can just tune it right into my phone and any app.
Mine
on my
hardly ever
phone.
turns on.
Yeah, well, we've been watching Stranger Things, so we've been kind of on a binge lately.
Yeah.
But our friend has a Starlink, which is next on the list.
Yeah, that's on my want list.
Yeah. For
So.
sure. I know that's a little extra monthly,
Yep.
but I think it'll be worth it.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah,
I
no
like what
AC,
you've done.
just thanks, fans. You know, it stays cool. I keep the front door shut, like the curtains closed here between the cab and the back, which honestly, having known nothing about how to convert a bus, it was the first thing I did, and it's the best thing I did.
Yep.
Because all the heat and all the shit, you know, even just to be private. Like if I just wanted to be in here and change or take a nap, I shut my front doors, and then this completely walls off the rest
I like
of
to
the
use
world.
the flexible copper. Yeah.
Yeah, they work really good. They keep the sun out and the people.
Yep.
Which, I don't always want to keep the people out, but sometimes, you know.
Now, if somebody wanted to get a hold of you on social media, do you have?
I do. I'm on Instagram. I only do Instagram, and it's whereis.willow. So the bus's name is Willow, and whereis.willow is my Instagram page.
Okay.
And I do put up, I haven't lately, but usually I'm pretty good about keeping my friends informed of where I'm at and what I'm doing and the beauty of the, you know, it goes so many
Yeah,
really
I'm
cool
a
spots.
I'm a random poster on Instagram.
Yeah, I'm trying to-
Yesterday with the fog, I couldn't resist getting a shot with all the
Oh,
fog.
that was nice, yeah.
Yeah, so-
Good idea.
Well, thank you for the tour. I
You're very
really like
welcome,
what you've
Steve.
done with the bus.
Thank you. Yep.